So SVR and Toyota Gazoo, where the marriage comes in, we are tasked with building the rally raid vehicles for Toyota Gazoo. Firstly, with the design process, where we have a group of engineers who specifically design the vehicle to the rules provided by the FIA. In order to find little advantages, you got to push the envelope and continuously develop.
None of the engineers' designs or ideas or anything would ever come to pass if we didn't have EDGECAM as our CAM software. Any new development that comes from the engineer side can quickly be turned around on a machine, so we can go out, test it and make sure, improve it, so that we make sure it works. And again, the slightest small little part that can be a game changer, either by not braking or better performance, better reliability, any of that, just makes it, if we can do it quickly, we know it's going to work and could win us a race possibly.
We machine and do all the machining in-house for the vehicle and its various components. So like the drivetrain is completely machined by us besides the gearbox. I would say 80 to 90% of the car is built in-house. Without the software, we can't develop. So that's where the marriage between SVR and EDGECAM comes in. EDGECAM is one of our sponsors. The Dakar Rally is a big part of our racing campaign. So currently we are deep in the preparations for the Dakar coming in 2025. So our next goal is to make it a fully South African win, with a South African driver and co-driver with a South African built car, with the South African team.